chestnut tree.
Edmond!
With their daddy who's super kind.
Lucy!
They explore the forest, you see.
So fun!
Never leaving their friends behind.
Yippee!
Edmond and Lucy, Edmond and Lucy. Every day is an adventure. Edmond and Lucy, Edmond and Lucy. Share with us the joys of nature. The Rain Master.
You can't catch me! You can't catch me!
Hey, look at these dandelions. Apples. You! Just wait till I get my hands on you. Apples. Come back here, you. Now, that's you.
No, stop! I give up!
Patapum, 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 pine cone.
Tonight is pine cone soup, children.
Patapum, patapum, pine cone. Patapum, 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 pine cone. Well, now. What is it you're telling me, my lovely pine cone? Uh-oh. Well, it's a good job I brought my umbrella with me today, then. Patapum, 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 pine cone.
What is she doing? It's not even raining.
If you ask me, it's going to rain. Mima feels things, you know.
Don't be silly. It's impossible to... Huh?
You see, I told you.
But how did she do that?
I don't know, but we'd better go home.
Oh, I hope it stops raining soon. My vegetables don't like it.
But, Daddy, rain's supposed to be good for your vegetable garden, isn't it?
Yes, but not for too long, otherwise it overflows.
Oh, is that true? But you're always saying that the ground soaks up the water.
When it rains too much, it can't soak up anymore. Hang on a sec. We'll explain it to you. So let's say the sponge is the ground in the vegetable garden. And this is a big cloud of rain. Now watch what's going to happen. To begin with, the sponge absorbs all the water.
Well, yes, that's what we said.
But now, watch closely what happens after. The sponge can't absorb any more water. It's the same for the ground in Harry's garden. Do you understand?
Yeah, we're not stupid, you know.
Oh, well done, girls. I'm very impressed by the way you explain natural phenomena.
Don't Harriet and Polka annoy you too? They're such know-it-alls, always trying to seek attention. Do you understand? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, didn't you know? And on and on and on.
If we wanted, we could impress them too with,
How about we put a sponge over our heads to make some rain fall?
Oh, no, but... Oh, you just given me an idea.
Where are we going?
To Mima's. We're gonna ask her how she makes rainfall with her umbrella. Now that will impress them.
Huh? But that's impossible.
No, it's not. You saw Mima earlier. She opened her umbrella and bingo, it started to rain. So her umbrella must have some kind of secret. Mima? 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 Oh no, she's not home yet.
Oh, but her umbrella is. Look. Are you sure it's her umbrella that attracts rain?
Why shouldn't it? Lightning is attracted by trees, isn't it? Right, we should try it out. Maybe I'm going about it the wrong way.
What was Mima doing just before she opened her umbrella?
She was singing. Something like, pata-ha, pata-poom.
Yes, that's it. She was singing in front of a pine tree. Oh, so maybe it's the tree that makes it rain or shine.
Oh,
Well, let's go. There it is.
That's it.
Boom, boom, pom. Pa, pa, pa. Boom, pada, pom, pom, pom. Let's try again.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, pom. Pom, pom, pom. Boom, pada, pom, pom, pom.
Butcha, 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 butch, butcha, butcha, butch. Butch.
Boom, boom, pom. Pa, pa, pa. Boom, pada, pom, pom, pom. Boom, boom, pom. Pa, pa, pa. Boom, pada, pom, pom, pom.
These clouds are just beautiful.
They look like cotton wool.
Isn't the sky magic?
Yes.
So how are we supposed to impress everyone if we can't even make it rain?
We have to find a way.
Oh,
Huh?
I know. Maybe we could make pretend.
What do you mean?
Butch.
Well, what we want is to impress them. It doesn't matter if we cheat, just a little bit. Here's what we're gonna do.
Oh.
Stop! Got it!
Wonderful. Right thing. Left hand is for the rain and the right hand's for the snow. Got it?
Butch. Showtime, showtime, showtime.
Dear audience, welcome! We're very happy to present
The amazing weather umbrella!
Oh!
Tell us, oh beautiful umbrella, master of rainy and shiny weather. Will it be bad weather today?
Our amazing umbrella says it's going to rain!
Butch.
Well done!
That's incredible!
Just very good.
Thank you. But, my friends, there's more. Now we shall ask our amazing umbrella to change the weather to snow.
To snow?
You, oh beautiful umbrella, master of rainy and shiny weather, make it snow!
Hey, Thing!
Butch.
That's beautiful.
Dandelion seeds. What a nice idea. Wow.
Well done, you two. That was a beautiful show. Thanks.
That wasn't planned. Sorry.
Hey, isn't that my umbrella? And you've decorated it.
We wanted to try and make it rain like you, but it didn't work.
Make it rain like me?
Well, yeah, we saw you this morning. What's your trick to make the rain fall? With the big pine tree, the umbrella, and all that?
My trick? Oh. Let me introduce my little weather hedgehog.
Huh? A weather hedgehog?
When the weather is damp and it's going to rain, the pine cone closes up a bit. And when the weather is dry, it opens up. My hedgehog spines poke up again. That means you can play outside.
Wow, that's incredible. So it was the pine cone you were looking at this morning?
Yes, it was.
Ah, can we make one too, do you think?
Why, of course. Here's one for you and one for you.
it's going to be rainy and windy.
No, it doesn't. It means the opposite.
No way!
Come on now, off to bed. Tomorrow it's going to be nice and sunny. Make sure you enjoy it.
Really?
But how can you know that?
I have my little tricks too.
Shh. Now listen.
If at night you hear frogs sing, sunny weather it'll bring.
Edmond and Lucy,